Now whenever you want to open any program or any file, suppose like that, so you can open it directly from quick launch area. Now middle section, it shows the icons of the program that are currently in use. Now right hand side you are having notification area. What is this? The right side of the area of the taskbar is known as notification area. This area is at the right side. This full portion is called as notification area. Here only you will find the date and the time. Suppose the time is there and the date is there. These date and time you will find it in the notification area, and if you want to change it, you can click it, you can open it, change date and time settings are there, you can change the date and time settings. Okay, now the next is computer icon. We can say it as the main icon on the desktop, that is your computer. Earlier versions we can see it was called as my computer, wherein if you click this computer icon you will see this type of screen. That means you will see like this. It shows all the drives available in your Windows. On desktop you will find a computer icon through which we can access all the files and folders stored in the computer. While working on computer, you will be creating files and organizing them in files, folders. When you double click on computer icon, you will get the screen as shown in the figure. That means you can, if you double click on this computer icon, you will see these drives, and if you want to go inside that, again double click it, and then you will find all the files and the folders whatever you have created. Now the next is your shortcut icon. Shortcut icon is an icon that provides an easy and direct way to open any program or folder. Suppose I will give you one example. This is a start button. You want to open MS Word. As I have installed it, okay, in your computer, but you have to go process wise. That means first you will click start button. One menu will come up on the screen. It will show all programs. This you have to click. Now one sub menu will open. Here it will be MS Office. Now you have to click this one. Again you have to select MS Word from that list. Okay, so this is a long process, although not so long, but there is a shortcut way of opening this MS Word. How? If I have opened MS Word here, what I will do, I will just right click on this particular program, and here one option will be available, that is your send to. Click on that, send to, and then one more box will come up, that is create shortcut. Send to desktop, create shortcut. If you do this, you will see that particular file, MS Word file, it will come to your Windows screen, wherein you can directly click on it and you can open the MS Word screen. Okay, you need only to double click on the shortcut icon to open MS Word directly. Now let us see the next topic, that is your files and folders. When you work on a program or software, you need to save your work. When you save your work, it is saved in the form of file. Now suppose you have to do any work in your computer. So whatever work you have done, it is saved in the form of a file. Each file is given a file name that helps us to find it easily. Now whatever work, suppose I have created a file. How to create a file? Let us see. Suppose you have typed something. I have typed a letter. Okay, I want to save it. So what is the process? You have to click the save option. Office button is there. You have to click the save option. One box will appear and you can type your name. Suppose I have to save it with the name color and click on the save button. Now this particular whatever I have typed here, I have given a name, so color's name will appear on the top. That means I have created a file. Same way as I have made one drawing. Suppose I have made this tree. I want to save this file. Click on the office button and click on the save option. One save as box will open up wherein you can save your file. Suppose I have saved with the name fun and click on the save button. Now the name fun will appear on the top of that window. That means your file is saved. You have created a file. In computers, whatever work we are doing it is saved in the form of file. Now let us see what is a folder. A folder is in a computer is like a cabinet or almirah where you keep your files. A folder helps us to organize files by keeping them together. Now suppose, to give you one example, suppose the example of music. I have created or I have loaded some of the music files here. But if suppose I have kept in a different places, okay, some music files are there on the desktop, some music files are there in the D drive, some music files are there in the C drive. So what I will do, I'll collect all the music files and I will create a folder music. I'll put all the music files inside this music folder. So it will help you to locate your music directly. It will help you to find your musics directly. Now how to create a new folder? How you will make the folder now? How to create this music folder? Let us see. This is your desktop. With your mouse you will do right click. You will select this option new and one sub menu will open up. Here it will be file or folder and so other options are available here. So what you will do, you will select folder from here. Now when you click on this, you will see a small yellow color box will appear on the screen. This is your new folder. This is the writing area. At first it will show new folder.